The AI revolution is happening right in front of us. But there's a hidden side to this transformation that rarely makes headlines. While tech companies showcase their latest breakthroughs, there are deeper truths about artificial intelligence that they'd prefer you didn't fully understand. In this video, you're going to discover 7 critical realities about AI that will change how you see this technology forever. These aren't conspiracy theories or wild speculation. These are the uncomfortable truths that emerge when you look beyond the marketing and examine what's really happening in the world of artificial intelligence. By the end of this video, you'll understand why the AI revolution is far more complex and consequential than most people realize. Let's dive into the 7 truths that will reshape your understanding of our AI-driven future. Truth 7. The intelligence behind AI isn't what you think. Here's something that might shock you. The most advanced AI systems don't actually understand the world the way humans do. They're incredibly sophisticated pattern-matching machines that have learned to mimic human responses by processing massive amounts of text and data. These systems don't have true comprehension. They generate responses based on statistical patterns they've learned from their training data. It's like having a brilliant actor who can perfectly imitate a doctor without actually understanding medicine. This is why AI can sometimes produce responses that sound incredibly intelligent while being fundamentally wrong. The system isn't lying. It simply doesn't have the kind of understanding that humans possess. It's responding based on patterns, not genuine comprehension of the concepts it's discussing. Truth 6. Your digital life is being mapped in real time. Every interaction you have with digital platforms is feeding into AI systems that are building incredibly detailed profiles of who you are, what you want, and how you behave. Your search history, shopping patterns, social media activity, and even how long you pause before clicking something. It's all being analyzed. These AI systems can predict your behavior with startling accuracy. They know when you're likely to make a purchase, what content will keep you engaged, and even what emotional triggers work best on you. The goal isn't just advertising, it's behavioral modification. These systems are designed to influence your decisions, shape your preferences, and keep you engaged with their platforms. You're not just using the technology, it's actively shaping how you think and act. Truth 5. AI is already making decisions about your life. Right now, AI systems are determining whether you get approved for loans, what job opportunities you see, which medical treatments are recommended, and even what news stories appear in your feed. These decisions are being made by algorithms that most people, including many of the people who deploy them, don't fully understand. The troubling part is that these systems can perpetuate and amplify existing biases. If an AI system is trained on historical data that reflects past discrimination, it will continue those patterns, making them appear objective and scientific. Many of these AI decision-making systems operate as black boxes. Even their creators cannot always explain why they made specific choices. Yet these opaque systems are increasingly determining the course of people's lives. Truth 4. The job displacement is happening faster than expected. AI isn't just coming for manual labor. It's already transforming knowledge work in ways that many professionals haven't fully grasped. Legal research, financial analysis, content creation, customer service, and even medical diagnosis are being augmented or replaced by AI systems. But here's the twist. The jobs being affected aren't always the ones people expected. Some manual jobs require human dexterity and adaptability that's still difficult for machines. Meanwhile, certain cognitive tasks that seemed uniquely human are proving surprisingly easy for AI to handle. The challenge isn't just that jobs are disappearing. It's that the skills needed for the jobs that remain are changing rapidly. The half-life of professional skills is shrinking, meaning what you learned, even a few years ago, may already be outdated. Truth 3. AI systems can develop unexpected capabilities. Here's something that keeps AI researchers awake at night. Sometimes AI systems develop abilities they weren't specifically trained for. These emergent capabilities appear as systems become more sophisticated, and they're not always predictable or controllable. For example, large language models have spontaneously developed abilities to perform mathematical reasoning, write code in programming languages they weren't specifically trained on, and even exhibit what looks like creative problem solving. The concerning part is that if AI systems can develop unexpected helpful capabilities, they might also develop unexpected problematic ones. As these systems become more powerful, predicting all their capabilities becomes increasingly difficult. Truth 2. The real AI competition is about control, not innovation. While public attention focuses on which company releases the most impressive AI demo, the real competition happening behind the scenes is about who gets to control the future of artificial intelligence. The companies and countries that dominate AI development will have unprecedented power to shape society. This isn't just about market share. It's about having the ability to influence information flow, economic systems, and even political processes on a global scale. The organizations that control advanced AI systems will have tools for social influence that are more powerful than anything in human history. The race isn't just to build better AI. It's to ensure that your version of AI becomes the standard that everyone else has to live with. The stakes couldn't be higher. Truth 1. We're building systems we don't fully understand. The most unsettling truth about AI is that we're rapidly deploying systems that exceed our ability to fully comprehend them. The most advanced AI models are so complex that even their creators can't predict all their behaviors or explain all their decisions. We're essentially conducting a massive experiment with artificial intelligence, using society as our laboratory. We're discovering what these systems can do. At the same time, we're integrating them into critical aspects of our lives. This isn't necessarily catastrophic, but it means we're navigating uncharted territory with limited visibility. We're making decisions about AI governance, ethics, and deployment, while still learning what these systems are truly capable of. The question isn't whether AI will be transformative. It already is. The question is whether we can develop the wisdom and institutions needed to guide this transformation in directions that benefit humanity. The path forward. Understanding these truths isn't about creating fear. It's about making informed decisions. The AI revolution is happening whether we understand it or not, but our collective future will be shaped by how well we grasp both its potential and its perils. The companies developing AI have powerful incentives to focus on the benefits while downplaying the risks and complexities. But as citizens, professionals, and human beings, we need the complete picture to make wise choices about how AI fits into our lives and society. The future of AI isn't predetermined. It will be shaped by the decisions we make today, but only if we base those decisions on a clear understanding of what we're actually dealing with. If you found these insights valuable, hit the like button and let me know in the comments which truth surprised you the most. And if you want to stay ahead of the AI revolution with content that goes beyond the headlines, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching.